Have you ever found yourself in a situation where awkward silence takes over the conversation? What if I told you there's a way to never run out of things to say again? In this video, I'll show you some amazing and practical techniques to keep any conversation interesting and smooth, whether at work, social gatherings, or important events. Imagine mastering the art of conversation and building stronger, more meaningful connections. Practical tips for conversations in different contexts. Keeping a conversation flowing during a job interview can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can stand out. A key tip is to do your research on the company and the position. This not only shows genuine interest but also provides a solid foundation for relevant questions and answers. Prepare stories that highlight your skills and experiences, using the STAR technique: situation, task, action, result, to structure your responses clearly and concisely. Don't forget to show genuine interest in the role by asking intelligent questions about the company and job expectations. In social gatherings, especially with unfamiliar people, starting a conversation can be intimidating. The key is to find common ground. Asking about interests or the event context can be a great start. For instance, at a party, you might ask how the person knows the host. Another tip is to use the FORG technique: family, occupation, recreation, goals, to find conversation topics. Remember to be a good listener and show genuine interest in their responses. Sharing something relevant about yourself also helps create a connection. Have you tried any techniques that worked particularly well? At networking events, standing out and making valuable connections requires a strategic approach. Start with a strong, confident introduction, mentioning your name, profession, and what you're looking for. Have an elevator pitch ready, a brief presentation highlighting your skills and goals in under a minute. It's crucial to ask open-ended questions that encourage deeper conversations, like what brought you to this event, or what are your biggest challenges in the industry right now? Exchanging business cards is still relevant, but don't forget to follow up with an email or LinkedIn message to keep the connection alive. Handling difficult and conflict conversations. Difficult and conflict conversations are inevitable, but with the right strategies, you can handle these situations effectively and keep the dialogue open. A key approach is to stay calm and actively listen to what the other person has to say. This not only shows respect but also helps you fully understand their perspective. Use mirroring techniques to validate their feelings by neutrally repeating what was said. For example, you could say, "So, you're frustrated because the project wasn't delivered on time." This can diffuse initial tension and pave the way for more productive communication. Assertive communication means expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and directly without being aggressive or passive. An effective way to do this is by using "I feel" statements instead of "you did" statements. For instance, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," you could say, "I feel like my concerns aren't being heard." This reduces the other person's defensiveness and promotes a mutual understanding environment. Another important aspect is maintaining a calm and controlled tone of voice, even when emotions are running high. Do you usually communicate assertively in difficult conversations? What are the biggest challenges you face when trying to be assertive? Starting a difficult conversation with a positive intent statement like, "I'd like to resolve this in a way that works for both of us," can set a collaborative tone. Asking open-ended questions that encourage the other person to express their concerns is also effective. For example, "How do you feel about the situation?" or "What do you think we can do to improve this?" shows a desire to understand and resolve the problem together. Conclude with a clear action plan or next steps to ensure the conversation results in real progress. Universal conversation topics. Current events and pop culture are excellent conversation starters because almost everyone has something to say about recent happenings or the latest releases. Keeping up with news, movies, series, and music trends can give you a vast repertoire of topics to initiate a conversation. For example, if a major award show happened recently, you might start with, "Did you see who won the Oscar for Best Picture this year?" This not only shows that you're aware of what's going on in the world but also invites the other person to share their opinions and feelings on the subject. What recent event or cultural trend do you think would make a good conversation starter? Identifying and exploring common interests is an effective way to deepen a connection with someone. A simple technique to discover shared interests is to ask open-ended questions that encourage the other person to talk about themselves. Questions like what do you like to do in your free time, or what was the last book you read, can quickly reveal areas of mutual interest. As the conversation progresses, use these discoveries to discuss related experiences, opinions, and preferences. For example, if you both enjoy traveling, you can ask about favorite destinations or memorable travel experiences. Movies, books, and music are always rich topics for discussion, as many people have strong passions for their favorite works. You can use these cultural experiences as conversation starters by mentioning something you've recently watched, read, or listened to. For instance, I just finished an amazing book about. Or have you heard the new album by? In addition to sharing your own opinions, ask the other person about theirs. This can not only enrich the conversation but also introduce you to new works and artists. Discussions about movies, books, and music often lead to lively debates about themes, characters, and styles, making the conversation engaging and fun. Resources and tools to improve conversation skills. Developing conversation skills can completely transform your social and professional interactions, and there are numerous resources available to help with this process. Books are a great starting point. Classics like How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie offers solid fundamentals on how to communicate effectively and create meaningful connections. Additionally, Crucial Conversations by Carrie Patterson covers techniques for handling difficult conversations in an assertive and productive way. These books not only provide theories but also practical examples and exercises that can be applied in daily life. Besides books, online courses are an excellent way to deepen your communication skills. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer specific courses on conversation skills, effective communication, and emotional intelligence. For instance, LinkedIn Learning's Communicating with Confidence course teaches techniques to boost confidence in various communication scenarios. Another useful course is Effective Communication, Writing, Design, and Presentation on Coursera, which addresses not just verbal communication but also writing and visual presentation. Enrolling in such courses can provide valuable and practical insights to enhance your conversations. Communication apps can also be powerful tools for practicing and improving your conversation skills. Apps like SpeakUp and Ori offer speech practice exercises and real-time feedback to help improve clarity and confidence when speaking. HelloTalk and Tandem are platforms that connect you with native speakers of other languages, offering an excellent opportunity to practice conversations in a safe and supportive environment. These apps make learning interactive and accessible, allowing you to practice anywhere and anytime.
Check out the next video, where I share even more valuable tips to change your life. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment on your experiences. Your participation is essential for us to grow together. And don't forget, don't let the ghosts of your mind control you.